Hello class 6 students. Today in continuation of chapter Things Around Us, we were discussing about living characteristics. Today our characteristics, we will discuss about a characteristic of living thing, movement. Do you know there is some difference in movement and locomotion? Yes, there is some difference in movement and locomotion. When body parts move, then it is called movement. Here, how we will define it? It is given when a living organism moves a body part or parts to bring without a change in the position of the organism called movement. That means in case of movement, there is no change in the position of the organism. No change in the position of organism, only and only their body part moves. Then it is called movement. Like you can see in some examples, in case of human being, suppose that we are moving our hand, lifting our hand, holding chalk. These are without moving our body, we are showing our movement of our body parts. These are called movement. Now, let us consider about some examples in plants. In case of plants, growth of root in downward direction. This is the first example. Second one, you can see stem moves upward towards the sun. It is second example. Third example, bursting of seed without changing its position. Fourth, blooming of flowers. These are some examples of a plant which shows movement. Now come to the locomotion. In case of locomotion, entire body parts move. In this view, it differs from movement. That means when body parts move, it is called movement, and when entire body of organism moves, then it is called locomotion. Look at here how we will define it. When the whole organism moves from one place to another place, it is called locomotion. Like walking, running, etc. That means in case of locomotion, plants and animals show some differences. That means in case of plants, only and only movement is present, whereas in case of animals, movement and locomotion both are present. Why plants don't show any locomotion? Because plants can synthesize their food in a place. That's why there is no need of movement. Then why animals move? Here 3 points are written. There are lots of points, but amongst all 3 points are given. Animals or organisms mainly move in order to find food, water and shelter. Second, to protect themselves from enemies. Third, to find a safe place to reproduction. Movement and locomotion are not seen in any non-living being. That means in movement or locomotion, movement and locomotion are living characteristics. Thank you.